Hi guys, today we are going to see how to add a downloadable file in WordPress. Let's say you have a website and you want to allow your visitors to download file from your website. After watching this video, you will be able to add a downloadable button like this. So, I am Asad from WTeach and I will show you how to do that step by step. So, keep watching. Welcome back. Let's see our website where we want to add a downloadable button. So, to add a downloadable button to the site, there are two steps. The first step is uploading a file to our website. To do that, let's get into our WordPress dashboard by typing domain name /login. Now put the username and password, then hit the login button. Now go to media and add new. Now drag a file and drop it here. Just click on the copy URL to copy the file link. The second step is adding that file to a site. To do that, just go to Posts, All Posts, and click Edit button. Now click the plus icon to add a button. Now click on the buttons, then add a text here. Then click on here to add a link. Now paste the link which you copied and click on the link and click on the open in new tab, then click on update. Now go to the site to see the changes and click on refresh. Here you can see the download button is added successfully. Now if you click on the download button, then it will take you to this area. Now if you click on the download icon, then it will start downloading. So this is how you can add a downloadable file to your website. If you are new here, then please consider subscribing to our channel to get more tutorials like this. Thanks for being with us.